I smell something. Old pussy ass nigga around here still frontin'. Cocksucking ass nigga, what you talking about? I don't fuck with you, dish my name out your mouth. I don't fuck with no pussy ass nigga. You wind up stuck with a pussy ass nigga. You out of luck, old pussy ass nigga. Gon' make me buck this old pussy ass nigga. 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 Say bruh, motherfuck these old pussy ass nigga. What's up? Listen up real close. I'm about to get sick and hit you with this overdose. Real shit be going down and pussy start running. But when that fuck shit pop off, them pussies start coming. Yeah, real niggas recognize. A lot of niggas claiming real be pussies in disguise. Trying to put you up on games so niggas recognize. Cause a pussy ass lame is something I despise. I learned over the years that pussies love lies. And pussy niggas come in all different shapes and sizes. See where I'm from, homie, pussy niggas don't survive. But for some strange reason these pussies multiply. I don't know if my nigga is getting real sad. Seems like being a pussy nigga is the new swag. Fuck niggas, stay out my lane before I blast. And give one of you pussy niggas a toe tag. I don't fuck with no pussy ass nigga. You wind up stuck with a pussy ass nigga. You out of luck, old pussy ass nigga. Gon' make me buck this old pussy ass nigga. 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 Say bruh, motherfuck these old pussy ass nigga. Yes sir. Verse 2. Pussy niggas, I ain't done. Bout to piss on you pussy niggas just for fun. Heard your closest acquaintance is an investigator. Hit your ass slipping and fuck you with that vibrator. Let that chopper shake you loose. Have you laying in the gutter leaking pussy juice. Niggas think it's a game, but this shit is serious. Drain your blood, guess that pussy nigga on his period. Plug him with a Kotex. Stretch that pussy nigga out like a Bowflex. Beat that whole nigga down like having rough sex. Put that drama in his life, nigga, no regrets. Fuck nigga had it coming, he was overdue. Getting close to real niggas and exposing you. And these bitches do more sneak shit than niggas do. So pussy hoe, I feel the same way about you too. Yes sir. I don't fuck with no pussy ass nigga. You wind up stuck with a pussy ass nigga. You out of luck, old pussy ass nigga. Gon' make me buck this old pussy ass nigga. Old pussy ass nigga. Old pussy ass nigga.